Experience the craftsmanship and traditions of Nagano's Japan Alps area. Just a short trip from Tokyo or Osaka, this region offers unique hands-on experiences you won't find anywhere else. In Matsumoto, experience the art of Matsumoto Temari, a craft passed down since the Edo period. Originally made as children's toys, these beautiful balls of woven thread now feature modern designs while preserving traditional techniques. Choose from a variety of colorful thread, dyed using plants native to Nagano, and create your own unique pattern. In Narai-juku, Shiojiri City, experience the craft of making chopsticks from Kiso Hinoki wood. Chopsticks are fundamental to Japanese dining and can be made from various materials. But Hinoki wood from the Kiso Valley is particularly known for its exceptional quality and has been used for centuries in shrines and high-grade architecture. Using simple techniques, you'll carve this wood to create your own chopsticks, each unique pair displaying a combination of function and beauty. In Omachi City, experience the creation of traditional Japanese paper, or washi, which is UNESCO registered as an item of intangible cultural heritage. Washi has a history of over 1,400 years and is known for its strength, softness, and durability. Thanks to skilled craftsmanship and the use of high-quality water flowing from the Northern Alps around Omachi City, washi continues to be used in everyday items and interior decor. Create your own unique washi by incorporating local flowers and leaves during the crafting process. In Azumino City, experience the art of glass blowing. Glass craftsmanship has been cherished in Azumino for many years. Under the guidance of artists at local workshops, you too can experience these glass blowing techniques. Blow air into the heated glass and create your own unique items. Sustainable journeys. Experience traditions and craft culture in the Japan Alps area.